And the business sector in St. James is also weighing in ahead of tomorrow's vote for an extension of the SOEs in the Senate.
We as a business sector in Montego Bay, we have seen the results from a state of public emergency as it relates to reduction in murders and reduction in crime overall. So, and if the armed forces see where it's necessary for that to be in place, we are calling on the opposition to support that.
We are in full support of this measure because we're seeing where it saves lives, we're seeing where our staff is safer going home and coming to work, we're seeing where our tourists are also safer. 26 lives were saved, and mine might have been one of those 26. I know it's a drastic measure, but I think that we're living in drastic times. When we start to approach 1,500 persons that have died in Jamaica by crime, I think we really need all the tools necessary. I think the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force, their commanders have asked for this tool, and I think it is necessary that we give them the tools to act.